Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to go over cuttings of the blueberry and how to root them. I'm not going to be taking from any of the blueberries in my yard, but we did, however, go on a walk this morning at a location and we found a bunch of blueberries in the wild. This was actually, looks like it was mauled off by a squirrel or somebody walked by the bush and knocked it off. So I saw this on the ground and decided, let's not leave that to waste. Anyhow, my blueberries here are doing pretty good, considering what we started with last year. There weren't, last year and the year before, there weren't any ripe blueberries at all. So there's a really nice ripe blueberry. I'm going to pick that soon. And throughout here there's other blueberries. So anyhow, let's get started on the process for rooting blueberry cuttings. Alright, I'm going to start off with my pots. All I did was fill them with a little bit of sugar sand, and next I'm going to water them because I want this dirt to be workable, so it has to be wet. Here we have some rooting powder. Make sure it says 4 berries on there. I'm going to use a potato peeler. I'll show you what for in a second. Need some scissors. And then I have a tool for making my holes in the soil. Now where I want to snip, basically there's a bunch of opportunities here. Everywhere you see a new growth, that's an opportunity. I'm going to snip this one here. See anything like that? So you want these little thin ones. And this down here, we're going to give it a go, but I don't expect it to do well. What I expect to do well is all this stuff up here, all this new growth. Right now it's May the 2nd, 2022. So this is the time of year to be grabbing these cuttings. Also, if you look here, you'll see some blueberries that we're trying to grow. I'm cutting those off. I don't want this stick here or this cutting to waste any of its energy trying to produce those. So I'll get that done real quick. Now I'm going to take my potato peeler. I got a whole bunch here, and I'm just going to barely nick maybe the very end here on 3 different sides, so like a triangle. Let me do that real quick and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so see what I did there? 1, 2, 3. That'll give it a good opportunity to root. Now if you go, a lot of people think the roots are they'll grow from this whole thing. They don't. They only grow from the very outside of the branch itself. That's why we do that. That expands the opportunity for the roots to grow after we dip these sticks into the rooting powder. Now these, I'm just going to take all the leaves off closer to the bottom till it looks like that. Now we'll just take and create a little hole like that, however big you want to do it. I'm going to fight the good fight in numbers and put several sticks in each hole. Now we'll take our rooting powder, and I'll just take the sticks, dip the ends down in there until there's some rooting powder on the very end. Now I'll take these, just set them right in there, and tighten up the dirt around them, water that in, and hopefully we'll have some rooted blueberries here in the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps us out a lot. And stay tuned because I want to keep you updated on the progress of these blueberry cuttings. Have a good day.